it's Miss Jackie, and today I am going to show you how to make a pool noodle lightsaber. Perfect for any Jedi or Sith battles this summer. So for this activity, we are going to need a pool noodle. You can use any color: green, red, yellow, purple, blue, black, whatever color you want your lightsaber to be. The next thing we're going to need is duct tape. You're going to need silver duct tape for sure. If you can get black, red, or blue, perfect. If not, Sharpies work as well. And we're going to need a pair of sharp scissors to cut through the duct tape. So we have our supplies, so let's get started making our lightsaber. Once you have your pool noodle, if you need to cut it in half, you can. Then what we're doing is we're decorating the handle, and that's how we make our lightsaber. So it can really look however you want it to look. I'm just going to show you one way. You can, of course, choose any color pool noodle. I'm going to go ahead and go with the green one today. So I'm going to take black duct tape. And you are working with duct tape, so you're going to want to make sure you do have patience because it doesn't always come out perfectly. We're going to cut it, and I'm going to wrap it around the end. So I'm going to put it here and down, maybe a little more even. That way we can cover the hole in the bottom. And I'm going to take one more piece. And if I can find where it left off, there it is. And then we're just going to do it on the other side. Okay, so now the base is covered. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a piece of black duct tape and wrap it around the top. If you're working with children who are doing this, you might want some help of an adult. Sometimes duct tape can be hard to handle. So if I cover this with silver, we'll put this piece right here. And wrap it around. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it because it's a long piece. And then I'll take this piece and I'll just put it on the bottom just to kind of secure the bottom a little more. Okay, now I'm going to take silver and I'm going to wrap silver all around the base here. You could do this in one continuous if you want to keep wrapping, or cut it and do it each piece individually. I'm going to have it that. Stop it there because I want to make sure that my bottom has a nice clear straight line. So for the last piece, I am going to cut it off. Take my scissors off. Oops. This is why we want to make sure you have a pair of sharp scissors. You can tear duct tape sometimes, but sometimes using the scissors makes it easier so it doesn't go into a ball and then you never can get it undone. So I'm going to put this here. There we go. That way I have black on top and a black line on the bottom. So from here, my lightsaber is going to need some buttons. So I'm going to take a piece of red duct tape. And this is where it's going to get a little tricky. You could use markers if you want to use like permanent markers like Sharpies or anything like that to draw your buttons on. That works as well. I'm going to take this and cut a circle, maybe. All right, that's good enough. So my button for my lightsaber can go right here. And then I have some of this leftover duct tape, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this since it didn't tangle up, and just cut out some lines like that, and maybe on the other side I'll put that there. And do another one, maybe right there. Okay, so I have my button to turn on my lightsaber. I have 2 flashy lights. Let's add a little more color, and we'll take some blue. And we're going to do the same kind of lines, but maybe I'll do them near the button on this side here. Say we put that there, and let's see, there we go. See, this is where duct tape gets tricky. If it folds on itself, it can be hard to undo. Don't worry, just cut it off and you can just get a new piece. This one's a little wonky, but I think that's okay. We'll put this one, let's see, let's cut it down a little. Oh, made it smaller, that's all right. Let's put this one in between the 2 red ones. There we go. And maybe let's do one more blue one. Take that off of the scissors. Cut this, and I'm going to cut it into a square. And I'm going to put it maybe right here. Let's do one more. Well, actually, we'll have 2 more because if we cut it one more time, it'll give us 2 squares. We'll put this one here and this one there. And it's that easy. Now we have a lightsaber ready for battles. These ones, luckily, if you do have a lightsaber and they hit you, it's not too hard, so it won't cause too much damage if you're playing with them. But there it is. That is our pool noodle lightsaber. Thank you for joining me. I hope you have an amazingly fantastic day. May the force be with you. Bye.